Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look, which is a really quick, it's like 2 products, Smoky Eye. I'm using the majority of Prados Beauty. These products were gifted to me and some that I did purchase myself, but this is a brand that I support and love. Ooh, they're so good. Just a really beautiful brand. They have a lot more on their website that you can check out than what I'm showing today. I'm just showing some pieces that I've been using on the daily and loving. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like and subscribe, and let's get started. I'm gonna start off with this like bronzy color in this Prados brush. And I didn't put anything down because these colors and shadows are so highly pigmented and they last all day. So you really don't need a base or anything. I find that they don't crease, they just last. So I'm putting this all over my lid and I'm using this size brush because it's filling in the area that I want it to quickly. So with what's left on my brush, I'm just going to blend that up and out and into my crease. Using the same color, same brush. Again, I'm using the entire real estate of the brush tip to use as my liner. And I find it's easier to blend when you use a color that has like a slight frost to it. So same brush, I'm going in with the black shadow that's here. I'm just using the tip, like this area right here, and I'm just gonna apply it, just push it into that outer corner. That's just gonna add a little bit of depth, but since you already have all of that other shadow on, it's so much easier to blend because you're just adding a little bit of depth. I'm doing that on the inner corner as well. Same color, but I changed out my brush to an angle brush. Just load that up. And I'm gonna use this for my inner membrane. I find that using powder in the waterline tends to last a lot longer. I don't believe that it is tested for that eye area or that the companies say that you can. I do it, I've never had a problem, but do it at your own risk. So inside that membrane, I keep it closest to the lash line so that I don't poke myself in the eye and get powder in my eye. Same color, I'm gonna throw that underneath the lashes to create more depth. So you're just adding black to that bronzy color. So it's just making it a little bit darker, but it's keeping that beautiful sheen and everything. Gorgeous. Throw on mascara, whatever mascara you like. I've been using the It Cosmetics Superhero, and I think it's one of the best mascaras that I've ever used. Top and bottom, quick, easy. For my cheeks, Prados Beauty, this highlighter palette is amazing. It also comes with some beautiful like bronzes, a cool pink, but I'm going in with this champagne color right here. And I'm just applying it to the high points of my face. That just gives that glow. The blush palette, I'm dipping into these 2 colors right here. This is what I love about using a palette, is that you can customize and you can make your own colors. This is a little too dark for me right now for this look, so I'm just mixing it with a slightly lighter color. And just apply it to the apples of the cheeks. I didn't curl my lashes, but Prados Beauty, I did curl my lashes, but I didn't do it on camera because I already had like a little bit of mascara on. But this is their lash curler that I've been using and I find works amazing. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with this Laura Mercier gloss. This was sent to me. All of the Prados Beauty products were also sent to me. I'm going in with the Laura Mercier. I believe this color is called Bear Pink. And I'm old and I can't see close up anymore. And just throw on like a light pink gloss to finish the look. And there you have it. Just a quick, easy couple of products, Smoky Eye. This is something that you can tone down if you want for like every day. You can amp up by adding a little bit more black. But this is one of my go-to looks when I just want to throw something on quick, get out the door, still look fabulous. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other ideas of what you'd like to see from me, please leave them in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and thank you so much. Support Prados Beauty. This is a beautiful brand. I love them so much, and they have so much on their website, from reusable cotton rounds, lashes, shadows, blushes. Their brushes are unbelievable. I've been using all of their brushes. So they're a really beautiful brand, and go and support them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.